everyone. Welcome to English on the Way. I'm Charles.
And I'm Rachel. We are so happy to be here with you today.
Yes, it's wonderful to have you all with us. We love making these podcasts for you.
We really do. And today we have a super fun topic, don't we, Charles?
Oh, absolutely, Rachel. It's a topic everyone loves to think about and talk about.
I wonder what it could be.
Well, before we tell them, we have a little favor to ask.
Yes. If you like our podcast, please subscribe to our channel.
And don't forget to like this video or this audio if you're listening on a podcast platform. Give us a big thumbs up.
And share it with your friends. Sharing is caring, right?
That's right, Rachel. The more people who learn English with us, the happier we are.
Exactly. So subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much.
Okay, are you ready for our topic today, Rachel?
I am so ready. My bags are almost packed.
That's a big hint. Today we are going to talk about vacation.
Yay! Vacation! What a great word. It means time to relax, time to explore, time to have fun.
Yes, exactly. So, Rachel, when we say vacation, what comes to your mind first?
For me, it's sunshine. And no work. Just free time.
Free time is a big part of it. It's when you don't go to work or school. You take a break.
Yes, a break from everything. No alarms, no deadlines, just waking up when you want. Ugh, that sounds amazing.
It really does. And you can do so many different things on vacation. It's not always just one type of activity.
That's true. Some people like to stay home. We call that a staycation, right?
Yes, a staycation. That's when you have your vacation at home. Maybe you read a lot of books, watch movies, or cook new things.
Oh, I love staycations. Sometimes it's nice to just be in your own home, in your own bed. No need to pack.
That's a good point. Packing can be a bit stressful sometimes.
It can be, especially if you want to take many shoes.
So, Rachel, besides a staycation, what are some other popular kinds of vacations?
Well, a very popular one is a beach vacation.
Ah, yes, the beach. Sand, sun, ocean, swimming. It's beautiful.
Yes, you can lie on the sand, listen to the waves, and swim in the water. Maybe build a sandcastle.
That sounds like a dream. Do you like to swim in the ocean, Rachel?
Oh, yes. I love the feeling of the water. It's so refreshing. And the sound of the waves is so relaxing.
It is. Another kind of vacation is a mountain vacation.
Oh, yes. High up in the mountains. What do you do there, Charles?
In the mountains, you can go hiking. You walk on trails, see trees, and enjoy nature. The air is very clean.
That sounds nice, too. Very different from the beach. No sand, just rocks and trees.
Exactly. And sometimes in the mountains, it can be colder, which is nice if you want to escape the heat.
True. So we have staycations, beach vacations, mountain vacations. What else?
How about a city vacation?
Oh, a city vacation. That's when you go to a big city like New York or Paris or London.
Yes. You can visit museums, see famous buildings, go to restaurants, and do some shopping.
That's exciting. Lots of walking, lots of new things to see and learn.
Definitely. It's very different from a quiet beach or a calm mountain. Cities are full of energy.
And sounds, lots of sounds. Taxis, people talking, music.
Yes, it's a whole different experience. Some people love it, some prefer quiet places.
What about a cruise? Is that a kind of vacation?
Oh yes, a cruise is a wonderful vacation. You stay on a big ship, and the ship travels to different places.
Wow. So you wake up in a new city every day?
Sometimes. And on the ship, there are restaurants, swimming pools, shops, shows. It's like a floating hotel.
That sounds amazing. I've never been on a cruise. Have you, Charles?
Not yet, but it's on my list. It seems like a very relaxing way to see many places without packing and unpacking all the time.
That's a good point. No heavy bags.
So, Rachel, when you plan a vacation, what do you think about first?
First, I think about where I want to go. Do I want sun? Do I want nature? Do I want a city?
That's a great first step. Location, location, location.
Yes. After that, I think about when I want to go. Do I want to go in summer or winter?
The time of year can change a lot. For example, if you go to the beach in winter, it might be cold.
Exactly. And if you go to the mountains in summer, there might be no snow.
True. So where and when are important. What about how you will get there?
Oh, yes. Will I go by plane? Or by car? Or maybe by train?
All good options. A plane is fast for far places. A car is good for nearby places, and you can stop anywhere.
And a train can be very comfortable. You can see the scenery outside the window.
That's right. I love train travel. It's very relaxing.
Me too. And then after that, I think about where to stay.
Yes. Will you stay in a hotel or a hostel or maybe an Airbnb?
A hotel is usually more expensive, but it has good service. A hostel is cheaper, good for young people.
And an Airbnb is like staying in someone's home. It can be very comfortable and good for families.
Yes, so many choices. And after all that, I think about activities. What will I do there?
That's the fun part, right? Will you go sightseeing? Will you just relax by the pool?
Exactly. Will I visit museums or go shopping or try new foods?
Ooh, food. Trying new food is one of the best parts of vacation.
Yes, local food is so exciting. Different tastes, different smells. Yum.
You sound hungry, Rachel.
I am. Thinking about vacation makes me hungry and happy.
So, Rachel, what are some things you always take with you on vacation? Your vacation essentials.
Okay. First, a passport or ID, very important.
Yes, you need your documents to travel, especially to another country.
And money, of course. Credit cards, some cash.
Essential. You need money for food, for hotels, for fun things.
And clothes, always important. What kind of clothes depends on the place.
That's true. If you go to the beach, you need a swimsuit. If you go to the mountains, you need warm clothes.
Yes, and comfortable shoes. You walk a lot on vacation, so good shoes are a must.
Oh, absolutely. My feet hurt if I don't wear good shoes.
And don't forget a phone charger. Your phone needs battery.
Yes, and maybe a power bank too, for when you are out all day.
Oh, good idea. And a camera to take pictures, to remember everything.
Yes, taking photos is a great way to keep memories of your trip.
And for the beach, sunscreen, to protect your skin from the sun.
Super important. Nobody wants a sunburn on vacation. Ouch.
No. And a book or a magazine for relaxing time.
Yes, or a good podcast. Winks.
Giggles. Yes, exactly. And maybe a small backpack for day trips.
That's a good one. Easy to carry water and snacks.
And a first aid kit. Just a small one with bandages, pain medicine for little problems.
Smart. Better safe than sorry.
Yes. So, passport, money, clothes, shoes, phone charger, camera, sunscreen, book, backpack, first aid kit. I think that's a good list.
That's a fantastic list, Rachel. Very helpful for everyone. Rachel, do you have a favorite vacation memory, a place you loved?
Oh, that's a hard question. So many good memories. I remember one time I went to a small town near a big lake. It was so peaceful.
Oh, that sounds lovely. What did you do there?
We swam in the lake, we went fishing, and we had bonfires at night. We cooked marshmallows.
Wow, that sounds like a perfect, relaxing vacation. Very natural.
It was. And the stars were so bright at night, far from the city lights. It was beautiful.
That's wonderful. My favorite memory is probably a trip I took to a big city. I loved seeing all the famous buildings and trying all the different street foods.
Oh, yes. Street food is the best. Did you try anything very new?
I tried some very spicy noodles. My mouth was on fire, but it was delicious.
Oh, no. But that's part of the adventure, right?
Exactly. And now, Rachel, what is your dream vacation? If you could go anywhere in the world, where would you go?
Oh, a dream vacation. I would love to go to a place with lots of beautiful nature, like New Zealand.
New Zealand. That's a wonderful choice. Why New Zealand?
Because of the mountains, the green hills, the clear water. It looks so pure and calm. I would love to hike there and see all the amazing views.
That sounds like a truly amazing trip. I hope you can go someday.
Me too. What about you, Charles? Your dream vacation?
My dream vacation. I think I would love to go on an African safari.
Wow, an African safari? That sounds exciting.
Yes, to see all the wild animals, lions, elephants, giraffes, in their natural home. And to stay in a tent, but a fancy tent, in the middle of nature.
Oh, that would be incredible. Imagine waking up and seeing a giraffe outside your tent.
Yes, that would be a dream come true, to be so close to nature and these amazing animals.
That's a fantastic dream vacation, Charles. I hope you can go too.
Thank you, Rachel. We both have some great travel dreams.
So, Charles, why do you think vacations are important?
That's a very good question, Rachel. I think vacations are very important for our health and our happiness.
Yes, I agree. They help us relax and forget about stress.
Exactly. When you work all the time, you can get tired and stressed. A vacation is a break for your mind and body.
It's like hitting a reset button. You come back feeling fresh and ready to go.
Yes, and you can learn new things. When you visit new places, you see different cultures, different ways of life.
That's true. You meet new people, try new foods. It makes your mind open.
Absolutely, and it's a great time to spend with family and friends. If you travel with them, you make special memories together.
Oh, yes. Vacation memories with loved ones are the best. They last a lifetime.
They really do. And sometimes you discover new hobbies or interests on vacation. Maybe you try surfing or learn a new language or start painting.
That's true. It can open new doors for you, and it gives you something to look forward to. Planning a vacation is almost as fun as the vacation itself sometimes.
That's a good point. The anticipation is part of the fun. So it's good for our health, helps us learn, good for relationships, and gives us something to be excited about.
Yes, vacations are definitely important. Everyone needs a good vacation sometimes.
So Rachel, do you have any quick tips for someone planning their next vacation?
Oh, yes. My first tip is plan early. If you plan early, you can often get better prices for flights and hotels.
That's a great tip. Early bird gets the worm, right?
Exactly. My second tip is make a budget. Decide how much money you want to spend so you don't spend too much.
Very smart. Money planning is key.
And my third tip, pack light. Only take what you really need. It makes travel much easier.
That's a hard one for some people, but it's so true. Lighter bags are happier bags.
Yes. And my last tip, be flexible. Sometimes things don't go exactly as planned. Just relax and enjoy the moment.
That's excellent advice, Rachel. Travel can have surprises, and a positive attitude makes everything better.
Yes. Just enjoy the adventure.
Well, Rachel, this was such a fun chat about vacation. I feel like packing my bags right now.
Me too, Charles. I'm already dreaming of my next trip.
It's been great talking about all the different kinds of vacations, what to pack, and why they're so important.
Yes, we hope you all enjoyed this episode and learned some new English words and phrases about vacation.
We really hope so. And before we go, please remember,
Subscribe to English on the Way. It helps us a lot.
like this episode if you enjoyed it. Give us a big thumbs up.
And share it with your friends and family who are learning English.
And please leave us a comment below. Tell us, what is your dream vacation? Or what is your favorite vacation memory? We love reading your comments.
Yes, we want to hear from you. Thank you so much for listening and for learning English with us.
Thank you, everyone. It's always a pleasure.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye. Have a great week and maybe a great vacation soon.